Hi folks, welcome to Learn with TD. So in the previous video, I have explained that how to categorize my objects into display layers. Okay, so in this video, it is a continuation of the previous video. So I'll put the link in the description so you can watch my previous video, and I'll drop a link over there so you can click that and you could go to the previous video, watch that, and how you can know that how it is being done. So in today's video, we are explaining that how to organize those into the group. Okay, so based on the object namings, we will create a different groups, and into that group, we will move those Maya meshes to that particular group. Okay, so let's see how it is done. So okay guys, so in the previous part what we have done that we have put all these main top level assemblies to the variable, and after that actually we don't want this perspective camera front and top side, so we have created an exclude list and we have added those things to the list, and we have excluded all those, and we have made a final assemblies list. Okay, so this list we will be using, and after that we have split based on the underscore, and we have collected all these items and we have made a list. So this is in detail explained in the previous video, so you can check over there and you can get the details of everything which I explained over here. This is part of the code which I explained over here. So right now we are creating each and every group, and we are adding all these objects to that group. So we can what we'll do is like we can add those groups. Okay, so for that we'll create a loop. Each category, final category. So we are gonna create a groups. So we'll be like so for this group we are gonna create a group with a specific naming. So okay, that naming will be like each category, and that too with an underscore grp. So how we can do it, like name equal to, you can do a string formatting over here. So we'll do is like this is the category name with underscore grp, and we'll give this like each cata, and this we are creating as an empty group. Okay, so em equal to true. So right now we have created an empty group. If you want, you can run this and check. So if you check it, so 3 groups have been created. Okay, so what will we do is like this is like box group, the ring group, and the balls group. So whatever box items are there, so these are the box items we will add into this box group. The rings will be added into the ring group, as well as the ball will be added to the ball group. So we'll delete that group and we'll continue our script. Okay, so right now after this we have to loop through each and every assemblies, that is like the final assemblies, and we'll add that assembly item to a specific created group. Okay, so what we will like, we have to check whether this item is starting with this category. Okay, category name. So we will create a condition like if sorry, before that we have to loop through the assemblies. For that, for each assembly in final assemblies. After that we'll check whether that each assembly is starting with the category assembly. So if each some dot starts with each category, if this is if it is starting with each category name, that means if ball underscore red is matching with the ball group. Okay, so if it is matching, we have to add this object to that group. So how we do is like in Maya, what to add something into a group, we have to parent it. Okay, so the object will be the child and its parent will be the group name. Okay, so we'll do is like pm dot pm dot parent. So first we'll select the child. So this will be the child. So I'll copy this and I'll paste it over here, and this will be the parent. So the group name will be the parent. So this. So if we run this code, you can find out that, see, everything is organized and to the group. Okay, so the box group will be having all the boxes, and the ring group will be having all the rings, and the ball group will be having all the balls. Okay, so this is how, and here you can see that the final object is selected in the objects, that we can do a simple workaround for that. Pm dot select cl equal to, we are clearing the selection. Okay, so if you undo this, everything will be back again, and if you run the script again, so everything will be organized into the perfect group. So if you open the box group, box red, box green, box blue, box black is there. If you go for the rings, all the rings are there. If you go to the ball, all the balls are there. So guys, this is how you organize stuff into the groups. Okay, so this can be helpful. We use this in a lot of scenarios in the production. So whatever we'll do it in the like categories. So if you take for example, for one character, we organize all the geometries in the geo group, or else in the geometry group, and all the controls in the controls group, and all the bones in the rig group, and like that. It's based on different scenarios. So we use groups and organize stuff which will be clean and perfect. Okay, so this is how you do it. So I'll put the code in the GitHub page, and I'll put the link in the description. Okay, so until next video, it's goodbye.